Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll have a look at your recent past, the present and the future energies. So let's see what are the messages for my Scorpios. What are the messages for my Scorpios? So we have the recent past, we have the Chariot, the World and the Six of Wands. The present energies, we have the Two of Pentacles, the Death card, which is your card actually, and the Three of Cups. The immediate future, we have the Two of Swords, the Strength and the Lovers. Okay, with the Temperance. Okay, so Scorpios, in the recent past you have the Chariot, the World and the Six of Wands. So something started off very beautifully. You have recently begun something or started something or acted on something which was perhaps a total different from what you were actually doing, or actually you have made a new beginning. That's what I'm getting. It is something which maybe it is a new project or it is a new relationship, whatever it is. You have recently, in the immediate recent past I should say, you've started something with a very beautiful energy, and the thing is that you have won it, you've become victorious in it. So whatever you started very beautifully, and you have got a successful completion in it basically. Okay, and you are feeling very very happy, and you are celebrating your victories. So whatever you started, whatever the project was, if it was a relationship, it was a new life, whatever it was. And one more thing is that whatever it was started, it immediately picked up pace very fast. It was like the moment you, perhaps it was a decision which you took in a very short span of time, or the things started moving pretty fast basically. And the thing is, you have even completed it successfully, and you are very very happy and celebrating your victories in this situation, or whatever it was, the things were very beautiful. And then somehow we have the Two of Pentacles, the Death card and the Three of Cups. So what I feel is that after the, in you, this is your present energy, and here you are juggling between something. It is, you are being indecisive over something which is, I think this is a decision in which you need to end something. Maybe you are ending this, maybe it is talking about the ending of whatever uh, this success was. Maybe it is a completion of this project, it can be that, and you are just deciding as to what should be the next thing. It can be as simple as that. But the thing is, it is a major transition. Something here needs to end, and that is what the decision is all about, whatever it is for you. So whatever it was, it started beautifully and things were very good, things were very happy, and you won it. It's like you have really achieved success in it. But now you are being indecisive and pondering on something. Some decision definitely needs to take place, and this decision requires ending of something. It is a transition. Okay, maybe it has to end and something new has to begin. And we have the Three of Cups. So definitely what I feel is, whatever is ending, you are celebrating this end also. So maybe to me it looks like as if it is a completion of this project or whatever it was, because with the word, it is like you are tying a knot to whatever you had achieved, the success you had achieved over here. You are trying a knot to it. You are you've already enjoyed the success, and now perhaps it is a time of deciding as to what should be the next thing. And this, to me, it looks like this is ending, but then it is calling for a celebration. So it's normally like as if it's maybe you're moving to the next office. It's like moving your next project. And because it is ultimately after the Death card, so whatever is ending, it doesn't seem to be a bad ending, because you are celebrating it. So to me, if you are celebrating it, what I feel is, it is like maybe a promotion, maybe you're leaving an office, going to the next one, relocating, something like that. I don't know, it can be anything. But yes, it doesn't seem to be a bad ending. It is just a transition from something, or maybe even stepping up towards something, I don't know. But yes, definitely it is a transition, and that is what is making you indecisive, and you're just juggling between these things. But anyway, it has to end, you know that, at some point in time. And with the Three of Cups, you are definitely celebrating it with the friends and families. So to me it looks again and again definitely The word which I'm getting is it's like a farewell party type of a thing. It can be that. Maybe a farewell party, a get together of that sort, or maybe celebrating the success of whatever the success was, and now you have to move on to something different or something new. It's something like that. And in your immediate future, we have the Two of Swords, the Strength, the Lovers, and the Temperance. So what I feel is it is a carryover of this energy with the Two of Pentacles and the Two of Swords. So though this has ended and you are celebrating your victory and your success, or your I don't know, I'm getting that word, that farewell type of a thing, whatever it is, you're celebrating this success. That's what I feel. But now, since you are indecisive here as to what is the next, there is definitely some decision which is being called for. It's a time to take a decision, and I think this decision isn't easy. It is a major transition. Perhaps whatever it is ending. You have to take a decision here, and I'm saying major because we have three major cards lying here, and then we have the Strength card. So with the Strength, so whatever this decision is, it may be a tough decision for you, whatever it is, whatever the decision is. And then we have the Lovers and the Temperance. So definitely this decision requires a lot of balancing. Perhaps you have two options in which you need to decide. Perhaps it is actually a collaboration, a friendship, or it can be a relationship, since we have the Lovers. So it will be different for different people, but whatever this decision is, after celebrating this success, this decision is requiring, it seems to be a sort of a tough decision, because it is a time of transition. It is a time of transition. You have the options, you have the choice, you need to moderate it, you need to think about it, you need to take a decision. And what I feel is you will be taking the right decision with the Temperance being there and the Strength being there. You are being very, very patient. You are trying to weigh the pros and cons, and definitely you are trying to take a wise decision over here. But yes, it is a decision time. Definitely it is a decision time after enjoying the success of this. Yes, message from this deck is the Seven of Clubs over here, which is, to me, it is a tough competition. It is a tough competition. It can be a struggle. So again, here I see two people, actually, it's sort of a competition between two equals. So again, what I feel is it is again like, to me, again, it is something equal to a decision. It is maybe it is a decision who wins type of a situation, or what decision, or maybe the decision itself is tough, because it is like, it is a struggle basically. This card means a struggle. It is a struggle. It can be between two opponents. It can be the struggle within you to take a decision. So just take it as it resonates with you. And let's see what is the guidance from the angels for my Scorpios. Messenger of emotion. This is a beginning of a new emotional experience that could grow into something deeper. You may receive a message expressing feelings that you didn't even know were developing. A social invitation could soon be on your way. There is a person involved who is very gentle and loving with only kindest of intentions. It could be you, especially if you are artistic, shy and sensitive. So basically, if you are getting any help, just trust your instincts. It is a time of indecision. You really need to take some major decision out here. So if you really feel, and if your instincts say that whatever the person is, whosoever is trying to help you or guide you or giving you some sort of an opinion, then you just need to trust your intuitions and see if you feel this person is heaven sent. If you feel that this person is the right person who is, or giving me the right decision, just take that decision. So Scorpios, what I feel ultimately here is that it is a time to take a decision. Choose wisely, decide wisely. It can be a major transition of your life. But then whatever you have to choose listening to your inner voice. You have to choose after balancing all the pros and cons, because ultimately it is a major decision in some way which is being called for at this point in time. So that's all I have for you, Scorpios. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.